G'day everyone in the Positive Real Estate Network. It's Simon Deering coming to you live with a very special update. I'm here in the iconic area of Hillary's Boat Harbour Marina, and this marina was actually opened to the public way back in 1988. And I can tell you, for all the people that are outside of Perth, all the people that are in Perth will definitely know this when I say it, but back in 1988 Hillary's Boat Harbour was, for more or less, in the middle of nowhere. You're out in the sticks. However, now, 30 odd years on, I can tell you that Hillary's Boat Harbour Marina is surrounded by multi-million-dollar homes, and all the people that invested back in the harbour back in 1988, people that have invested back in 1998, have all enjoyed steady, sustainable growth, and in some cases their profits have 5, 6, 7 and 8 times over their initial investment over that 30-year period. The reason why I'm here at the Hillary's Boat Harbour Marina is to give all of you guys an insight as to what a marina looks like in Perth, and the fact that we only have a handful of them, and all of the marinas in Perth, Hillary's and Mindarie, all have high owner occupied locations. And obviously the big thing is the real estate out here is extremely expensive. Now, when we're looking for real estate for our clients, we always want to be in areas that have high owner occupied areas. We want to be in an area that has great infrastructure. We want to be in areas that have great lifestyle as well, because the people out here all have lots of money, and when you have lots of money in a suburb, the gentrification process takes place. PRE have secured some exclusive units in the brand new Port Coogee Marina development, and I'll be going live on site there so you can have a look at the Port Coogee development in its infant stages and get a greater appreciation as to just how good an opportunity Port Coogee is going to be for you and the rest of the PRE network. I'm standing behind the beautiful little lakeside estuary at the Port Coogee Marina Bay development. As you can see, we've got families already in the background taking advantage of this spectacular, beautiful summer's day out in Port Coogee. And I can tell you that's the type of lifestyle that makes this award-winning, multi-award-winning Marina Bay development so popular with owner-occupiers. Beautiful shallow areas, crystal clear waters, barbecue facilities, playground facilities, everything that makes for the perfect day out for a family day. Behind me is the spectacular marina down at Port Coogee, a multi-award-winning Marina Bay, and one of only a handful of Marina Bays developed here in Perth. Now, obviously Perth has some of the best coastline, not only in Australia but worldwide, and Port Coogee is no different. The last video you would have seen me just down at Hillary's Marina Bay, and you saw what 20-year development at an exclusive marina coastline bay can do. And right now Port Coogee is pretty much in its infant stages. In fact, Port Coogee is the jewel of the City of Coburn development. Now, all of the guys in Perth know a lot about the City of Coburn, but for those of you over east, make no mistake, the City of Coburn is an affluent city. It has the best coastline, arguably the best coastline in Perth, and it's very high owner occupied. We've just had the Fiona Stanley Hospital complete. There's a plethora of work from hospital, mining, industrial, commercial and white-collared jobs available in the area, and like all of Perth's coastline, it's within easy access to major CBD locations. You're only 5 kilometres away from the Fremantle City. And the beautiful thing about City of Coburn, and in particular the Port Coogee development, as I said at the beginning, is it's in its infant stages. Over the next 15 to 20 years, this whole Marina Bay, the whole City of Coburn, the coastline of Coburn is going to be transformed. Primarily, 20 years ago, 30 years ago, this was all industrial use. Hard to believe that something so beautiful could have been used for things like power stations and windmills and whatnot. But the last power station closed down in 1985, and since then the land has basically been unused until the council passed regulation to develop the City of Coburn and to develop this beautiful Marina Bay of Port Coogee. Over the next 10 years, more homes are going to be built. We're already surrounded by multi-million-dollar homes, and the exclusive opportunity to you as an investor is to get involved in one of the apartments that we are now selling in the Port Coogee area. Apartments are ranging from $395,000 up to $585,000. They're showing very strong yields of 5.5 to 6.3% for a furnished and unfurnished products. If you want to get a part of this, it is long-term investing at its infant stages, at its best. Give me a call, Simon Deering, 0406 554 222. And as always, guys, happy investing. Driving around the suburb of Port Coogee down at the award-winning Marina Bay. As you can see, Some of the houses are still in the process of being built, some of them have been built, but the one common theme all these houses share, whether being built, under construction or already complete, is quality without compromise. All of these homes that are being built out here are of course owner occupied. Nobody's renting these 2-story 6x3 bedroom houses. They are all directly on the beautiful coastline of Perth's Coburn beaches. This is the area that we are allowing our clients to invest in. You're surrounded by owner-occupiers, you're surrounded by wealth, and over the next 15 to 20 years the gentrification process that sweeps through Port Coogee, North Coogee and the city of Coburn is going to bring all the astute investors a hell of a lot of money, both on capital growth and great rental returns. Already the Port Coogee development that we're proposing at getting underway at the beginning of December is already showing between 5.5% and 6.3% rental yields, depending on whether you're getting a furnished or an unfurnished product. Absolutely exquisite. Where else in any of the PRE developments have you seen an opportunity to invest in an exclusive owner-occupied suburb like this? This is the type of investing that really gets me excited. If you're looking for long-term capital growth, this is a spectacular area. If you're looking to diversify your investment portfolio into Perth, this is a spectacular area to get involved in. Everything you see, well over $1 million. All of these beautiful executive 2-story houses, well over $1 million. Land prices going up, and for the investors that are looking to capitalise on Perth's rising market, this is as good an area as any to get involved in. Again, the strong points that make this great for long term, guys, real simple. Great rental yields, low vacancy rates, lots of infrastructure around the city of Coburn, and of course the big one for my investing is the high owner occupied areas. Thanks a lot, and as always,